Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an easy, simple and short speech on Children's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Good morning everyone. Second line is Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Third line is Today is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth line is He was our first Prime Minister. Fifth line is He was really fond of children. Sixth line is We lovingly call him Chacha Nehru. Seventh line is Let's make the most of this special day. Eighth line is Let's enjoy the games, sweets and all the fun activities. Ninth line is But let's also remember that we should always be good students. Last line is Thank you all.